So the forecast says rain in 3 days. 3 days. We have plenty of trees to take down. We have all the roots that needs to come up. We need to sort out the field. We need to plow the field. We need to get the seeds in the ground. Let's see if the season is going to slip away from us, or if we're going to be able to put those seeds in the ground before the rain comes. So nothing really goes to plan. We are now waiting for some sand to arrive so that we can cover the pipes. But in the meantime, there are still things to do. So we're picking up some wood here from the trees that we are going to burn. We're going to put that away for now. So we're trying to take care of the wood here. So it's a busy day today. Manuel is filling trolley with sand that we're putting in the ditch. We have another guy over there who is taking care of the wood, and then we have Pasquale, the main character for today. He is digging up all of the stumps. We had a plan to get some cover crops on or in the soil before the weekend because it's gonna rain, and now it seems like it's not gonna be possible. The guy who was supposed to dig them all out, he brought a smaller machine than he should, so now we have to wait for that to come, and that's not going to come until tomorrow, and then they say it's going to rain on Thursday. I'm not sure, but I'm feeling a bit disappointed, and I hope we can solve this problem, but it doesn't look like it. So, do you see what hides behind the tree? A big excavator. We got it early. It came this afternoon. It should come tomorrow, but should have come tomorrow, but now maybe there's a chance that we can make it before the rain. So he's clearing all of the last of the trees, and hopefully we can have a tractor here tomorrow taking care of the land for us. So this is how we take care of it when it comes out of the earth. Set fire to it so all of these nasty bacteria dies. Manuel is here. I can see he's excited.
It's good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It's a beautiful morning. Let's look at this view. Here comes the tractor. Manuel has started to pick up the roots from the field here. So let's hope we can get a lot of it out. Palle here is rearranging all of the roots that we are trying to fired. It has been burning all night, so I think it's probably half the size as it was when we left it yesterday. This is going to be nice. This means that we can actually put the cover crops in the dirt for the evening. So here we're putting the seeds for the cover crops. And we're almost finished. Manuel is finishing the last in his bucket, and then the tractor is gonna go over it again to bury the seeds. And here he comes. So this is how it looks after we put all the seeds in the ground. We're quite happy with that. There's still a small fire here, but we can get to it to tend it today. It's unfortunately or fortunately going to rain tonight, depending on which part of the project you want to proceed. The crops need the rain, and this does not need the rain. Well, anyways, I'm really happy about today. We've got a lot done, and yeah, coming along.
This feels completely unreal. Going from a total jungle to a field where we've now put cover crops. Can't believe it.
Well, today it's raining. I'm not sure if you can hear me at all, but it's raining. It's really good for the crops. I'm not so sure how good it is for us.